The Asir Ansari of class 9A is here to deliver a speech on the topic meditation. Meditation is the process of taking our attention away from the world outside and focusing it within ourselves. It is an ancient practice with many other names such as concentration, sitting in silence, or contemplation. Meditation benefits our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It has been scientifically proven to relieve stress, reduce blood pressure, enhance concentration, bring us joy and happiness, and help us calmly to deal with life's challenges. However, these are just by the products of meditation. The most important reason to meditate is to become spiritually aware and realize our existence at the level of the soul. With this, a whole new world opens up for us. As often we can, to reap the benefits of meditation, one should establish a daily practice in which we meditate at the same time each day and every day. Regularity is important in building any new habit, and meditation is no more different. Meditating at the same time each day trains the mind to embrace the new habit. With efforts and practice, anyone can be successful in meditation. But the most important reason to meditate is not about controlling the mind, it is about stilling the mind. So the difference is subtle, yet it is a key to success. With efforts, anyone can be still the sickness that he finds, and that is more fruitful and calming. On meditation journey, we should start with up to 5 minutes and gradually work about 30 minutes in a day or more. It takes a certain amount of time to relieve the stress of the mind of the day and thus achieve the sickness we seek. The longer we sit, the more fruitful our meditation will be. In our school, reading a chemistry experiment is knowledgeable only when it is conducted in a laboratory and in the presence of a teacher, and who will answer question to clear the concept. And meditation is no more different. Meditation is the experiment that we conduct in the laboratory of our body. That's all. Thank you.